Diosdado Macapagal was the 9th President of the Philippines, serving from 1961 to 1965. He was known for changing the date of Philippine Independence Day from July 4 to July 12, symbolizing the country's declaration of independence from Spanish colonial rule in 1898. His presidency was marked by efforts to assert Philippine sovereignty, including territorial disputes with Malaysia. His emphasis on national pride and identity was notable. Carlos P. Garcia was the 8th president, serving from 1957 to 1961. He implemented the Filipino First policy, promoting Filipino business and industries over foreign ones. His administration was marked by protectionist economic measures such as the Retail Trade Nationalization Act. He aimed to boost Filipino economic self-sufficiency and protect local businesses. Fidel V. Ramos was the 12th president, serving from 1992 to 1998. He played a key role in 1986 People Power Revolution, leading to the removal of President Ferdinand Marcos and the rise of Corazon Aquino. Ramos focused on economic reforms, infrastructure development, and political stability, helping the Philippines recover from the political turmoil and economic challenges. Diosdado Macapagal, Carlos P. Garcia, and Fidel V. Ramos are three significant figures in the Philippine history. Macapagal was a strong advocate for justice and democracy. His dedication to truth and historical accuracy. His presidency was marked by transparency, inspiring leaders and advocates for democracy in the Philippines and beyond. Garcia was a strong advocate for Filipino nationalism and economic sovereignty, inspiring many Filipinos to take pride in their country's heritage and work towards self-sufficiency. He also promoted Filipino culture, arts, and heritage, contributing to the preservation of Filipino traditions. Fidel V. Ramos, the 12th President of the Philippines from 1992 to 1998, was a leader during crisis, managing the country through economic reforms and the aftermath of the devastating Mount Pinatubo eruption. Ramos' efforts in nation building and reconciliation, critical during the post-Marcos era, have inspired many Filipinos. Their actions and principles continue to inspire the people of the Philippines and those who value democratic principles and national pride. The Philippines can benefit from the principles and policies of Diosdado Macapagal, Carlos P. Garcia, and Fidel V. Ramos if they were to be re-examined. Macapagal's emphasis on historical accuracy, Garcia's Filipino First policy, and Ramos' crisis management skills can be cited as examples of their contributions. Macapagal's decision to change the official Philippine Independence Day to June 12 highlights the importance of historical accuracy and national identity. Garcia's Filipino First policy could inspire a renewed focus on domestic industries and self-reliance, boosting the economy and reducing the dependence on foreign imports. Ramos' leadership during EDSA People Power Revolution and his ability to guide the country through crises can also be admired. Macapagal, Garcia, and Ramos were advocates of Filipino nationalism and cultural preservation, which can instill pride and unity among the population. Encouraging arts, culture, and heritage programs can be a valuable tool for national cohesion. Lastly, all three leaders had a commitment to democracy and transparency in government, which can be applied to strengthen democratic institutions and promote good governance. Encouraging transparency and accountability can help address issues of corruption and political instability. Despite the differences in the challenges issues facing the Philippines today, the principles and policies of these leaders can serve as inspiration for future leaders to address contemporary problems, uphold democratic values, and promote the well-being of the Filipino people.